This is just to give you a rough idea of the width of my palm. Here is the Smith's Titania 1 pocket knife, folding pocket knife, 2.2-inch blade, liner lock. I did not see one without serrations. The Titania 2 is a much larger knife, and the one I saw did not have serrations. Come on, focus. There we go. 420 stainless steel. So I think what this is saying, titanium coated handle. Is it a titanium coated blade? It does not say. But the handle apparently is titanium coating. Interesting. So here it is. Deep carry clip, tip down. I see what they did. It may be just titanium on one side. Look at that. It's like one scale. Frame lock with one scale. Lock up. Slightly off center. If it did not have serrations, yes, I would love it that much better. 3 fingers. No jimping. $10 knife, Cabela's, by the way. So that is the Smith's Titania 1. Finger choil. There is no finger choil. I guess they're calling that on the handle, the choil. I mean, I just thought it was part of the handle. I thought it was on the, if it was part of the blade, but anyway, I don't know. The blade and metal frame feature a titanium coating. Interesting. Wow, it's more expensive on Amazon. Interesting. Well, there you go. Black? What's black? That is not black. That is not black, sir.